Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about today's video because if you know me, you watch my channel, you would know that I love organizing, getting myself together, all that kind of stuff. And I have a new guest here, a new addition to our little family. I got a kitty. Her name is Bailey. She's 2 months old and she's just amazing. I'm very excited to be having her in a video because I've had her for about a week now and this is her first appearance. If you guys have any cat tips for me, I've only grown up with dogs in my family, so I've been looking stuff up a lot and reading things, but if you guys have any tips, and even if they're like more basic, like literally just leave me any of your tips, or if you know anything about cats or things that like I should be doing or shouldn't be doing, yeah, just help me out and I'm so excited. You guys will be hearing about her forever. So in today's video, we're going to be preparing for my semester of online classes that starts in like 3 days. I made a list of things that I want to get done today to kind of like gather myself. There's some school related things and organization stuff, and then there's also like apartment update stuff. Since my classes are all online, I feel like my bedroom, my apartment, I really want to get everything in order so that I can focus on my classes and I have a good environment to be doing that in, since I will be going to class in my apartment. So first thing I'm going to do right now is clean up my room because it's a little messy. I need to make my bed, put away some clothes, and then I'll show you guys a ton of new organizational things and things that I got from my apartment, and then we will get to organizing and getting ready. Okay, my room is all clean now. I kind of want to just like get organized. I bought some things off of Amazon to just like reorganize some things that are a little bit still messy in my apartment or my room. I ordered some things that I just needed for my apartment, also some like decorations. I also ordered like a ton of school supplies and stuff. So I'm gonna just show you guys a big haul of everything. Today's video is actually sponsored by Amazon Prime Student. If you guys don't know what Prime Student is, basically it's Amazon's membership that's designed specifically for college students. As a Prime Student member, which by the way, before I like tell you guys about it, I want you guys to know that you can get a 6-month trial for Amazon Prime Student at no cost, and there is same-day delivery, free 1-day delivery, free 2-day delivery. You can also get your groceries on Amazon and get them within 2 hours. Prime Videos included, which is where you can stream movies and TV shows. They also have really cool deals for you guys. You can get like 99¢ a month Amazon Music memberships if you're a Prime Student member. All around, we love Amazon. In general, as a college student, you're so busy. Getting literally anything delivered at your door is amazing. So big fan of Amazon over here. I know all of you probably are as well, so this is a dream company to be working with. I got a ton of stuff for the new school year as well as for the new school year in the apartment that I'm living in. I'm really excited to show you guys these gems. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. I'm just gonna start getting organized with all this stuff and show you guys as I go, putting the things away and organizing with them. So it'll be a haul, but like vlog as well. Okay, so the first things I'll show you guys are all of these school supplies and desk things. I got these Papermate 0.7 mechanical pencils. I'm taking a math class. I don't usually use pencil for anything other than exams, but I am taking a math class and I like to take my notes in pencil. Oh, I also got these pens that I'm really excited about. I loved these pens in high school and I thought it would just be fun to like get them again, and there's so many colors in this pack. And then going along with that, I also got a little pencil case. It's so cute. And then these sticky notes, they're actually called divider notes, so I thought this would be awesome for just even my notebooks and like textbooks. I also got this I'm so excited about. It's this planner. This planner, it's like just a little pad of paper and it has your daily plan. You fill in the date, like a schedule. You can put your hours down, like when you have class. That's what I'll do. You can like assess your day after, some spots for notes, top priorities. I always switch up my planning style. I always switch up the ways that I use my schedules and planners, and so I thought it would be fun to try out this because I'm constantly just like doing new things because it keeps me motivated when I'm switching it up kind of. So I have like a planner, Google Calendar, this, and I just kind of use whatever I'm feeling at the moment. I go through phases with all of them, but I do love them all. Look at the cat. What are you doing? She's so crazy. This is the pencil case. So cute. I'm just gonna put everything in here right now. And I also got a new desk organizer. I actually bought 2 of them. One for my desk. It's like a bamboo drawer organizer. And I also bought one for my kitchen utensils. So I'm just gonna reorganize my desk right now, put that new organizer in, and fill up my little pencil case. Having a workspace, a good organized workspace for me is gonna be so crucial with online classes. Here's the kitty. But yeah, having a good workspace, somewhere that I sit and do my Zoom and study and do homework, that's always really important to me, but obviously even more so now that I'm gonna be doing all my schoolwork pretty much from home. So I love writing things out and just making lists in general, so I wanted to show you guys. I did make a list of everything that I want to do to get organized. So we just organized my desk, so I can cross that off. And now let's do some apartment updates, just little things that I got to organize or just things I needed around the apartment. So let's do that. I ordered a ton of stuff from Amazon for my apartment. I needed more of these like wall plugins. Hi kitty. So I got some of these, some cork board, because I think I want to put these up in our living room. I thought this could be fun just to like put some pictures up, some of the actual scents that are for the plugins. These are the apple cinnamon and they smell so good. Push pins or tacks. Oh, and okay, NutriBullet thingy majiggy. And then these are like, they're not mason jars, but they're like little jars that can go in the freezer, because we are also going to be doing some meal prepping today. We're going to be doing some meal prepping with these. I honestly feel like this video is a little bit all over the place, but I'm really just getting organized. Just like getting a ton of things that I need because I just moved into this apartment in the past month. Classes are starting. Just like trying to get myself together, I guess. Decorations for our living room. And then that same drawer organizer that I put in my desk, I got one for our silverware as well. Let's go put all this stuff away and I'm going to hit you guys with a little montage. Okay, apartment updates are done. Meal prepping is done. It wasn't really meal prepping, it was smoothie prepping. But I want to start pre-making my smoothies on Sundays because you can freeze them and then each night just take one out, put it in the fridge, and then it's good to go the day, because smoothies definitely get annoying to make. You know, you kind of make a lot of mess, and pre-making them would just ensure that I'd eat them more often. If I don't have enough time or I just don't feel like making a mess, this is perfect. Right now I'm about to go through and check all my classes, go on the website that MSU has for our classes, Michigan State, and make sure that I have a syllabus for each class. I don't even know if my professors have uploaded them. I start classes on September 2nd. Hopefully my professors already have everything up and put together. I for some reason feel like there's a very good chance they do not. So I'm taking 6 classes this semester. Some of them are like gen ed prereqs and then others are for my major, and my major is creative advertising. So yeah, just in case you guys were wondering about that. Alright, I'm gonna go look. I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, I have each syllabus for each class. I've received 2 emails from my professors for 2 classes, those of which gave me 0 information. I don't even know what's going on. Having Zoom, I don't know. I just want to be organized, and I'm so annoyed that my professors haven't done anything, because normally it'd be fine because I'd just go to class on the first day and you would get all the information then, but like, I don't know, like, am I meeting on Zoom for all my classes? I'm assuming that's what's happening. Hopefully I'll get an email tomorrow from all of them, or like something, because today's August 31st, tomorrow's September 1st, and then there's my first day of classes on the 2nd, so I need some information. Honestly, shouldn't be stressed though, I'm being dramatic. I guess that's it for this video. I'm going to show you guys a few more miscellaneous things that I ordered off of Amazon. I got this photo album I'm so excited about because I want to like make a little scrapbook. Hi kitty. For like all my pictures of this year and stuff, and even like over the summer. This is my favorite chapstick ever, the Beauty by Earth brand. Little like mounting squares that are for the when I like put pictures on there. I also got ankle weights in here because I'm gonna start working out and I want to use these. And then little plant decor. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out Amazon Prime. Everything will be linked down below. Prime student, you guys can get it for 6 months at no cost. Definitely check it out. I love Amazon. I know you guys all do too. Everything that I showed in this video will be linked down below. Thank you so much, Prime student, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I upload videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. Lots of college content is coming your way. Subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!